guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see today, we are very colorful, fun, and just absolutely insane. I'm actually going to go see Kesha this Friday here in Nashville, Tennessee with some friends. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do a Kesha inspired look and see if I can pull it off. And this was literally the first time I have ever done anything this insane with my eyes. I'm actually quite impressed with what I did. To achieve this wild and crazy look, I had to use multiple brushes for each color, and also I will put in the description box down below which palette I used. I surprisingly didn't have to use any spray, but if you guys want to achieve this look, please keep on watching. Okay, so I already have my face prepped with my foundation, my setting powder, everything. Today I'm going to be using my Morphe palette. This is the Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette, and literally it is so beautiful. This has every color you can think of. So we are going to be dipping into some of these blues, some of these greens, pinks, oranges. There's surprisingly not really a yellow on here, but I think we can make it work. So excited. I honestly have no idea how I'm going to execute this or make it look good, but you know what, trial and error. Let's hope this isn't a failure. I'm going to go in first with my Eyeshadow Insurance by Too Faced so I can prime the eyes so they're ready for eyeshadow. We'll just put the Eyeshadow Insurance all over our lids and a little bit underneath the eyes as well. So I went to Pinterest and found some inspiration for this look today. So this is the photo that I found. She also had this photo up. So I'm going to be going off of this for what we're going to be doing today. I kind of want it to be literally a rainbow just threw up on my eyes. What? So I think I'm going to start with the blue side. I'll just have to make it work. I'm literally going to just be using so many different brushes because I don't want to mix the colors on all my brushes. So I have a bunch of my brushes just lined up waiting for some color on them. I'm very nervous for this. I'm gonna start with the blues. I'm going to go in with this color here first. I'm gonna try it without spray first and see how it goes on the lid. That's actually not that bad without having to use a spray, since this is kind of a shimmery color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it as dark as possible in the center of the color, and then I'm going to brush it out lightly more towards the center of my eyelid so I can easily blend in some other colors. To dip into the color one more time and just pat it on the lid. Next, I'm gonna dip into this lighter color right here on the bottom corner of this palette. I actually think the colors blended out pretty well on their own. I'm just gonna go ahead and go back in with this darker shade and sort of add a little bit more into this transition right here. The shade that I'm going to be using for the green is this one right here, and this is going to go on the inner corner. also going to dip into some of this green that's in my Lorac palette. So we're just going to pat this onto the corner. For the transition, I'm going to go ahead and try and use this gold in this palette as the yellow shade just to transition from this eye to the next eye. So I'm going to grab another brush and do that. Then I'm going to take another brush and we are going to go ahead and dip into this orange shade up here. The thing I like about this Morphe palette is that it's super pigmented, so a little can go a long way. So then I'm also going to go in with this like reddish hot pink shimmery shade. Holy pigmentation. This color is really beautiful on the eyelid. So my camera just shut off on me because it got overheated, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the outer corner. I went ahead and did the under eye off camera. The final color, this beautiful hot pink right here. We are going to do this on the very outer corner of the eye. I'm going to blend it underneath my eye as well. I'm going to go back in with that red color and then add it right here. And then finally with the orange color. So now off camera, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner and my eyelashes and fill in my eyebrows, and I will come back for the final look. So this is how the final look turned out. I'm actually really happy with it. Once I put on the eyelashes and the eyeliner and fixed my eyebrows and put on some lipstick, some neutral lipstick, just because this is so much up here. I'm actually really impressed at how this turned out. Yeah, let's get a close-up. So we have the transition from the dark blue, the light blue, the green, and then we have the transition of the yellow between both eyes, the yellow gold between both eyes. This is the orangey color, the reddish hot pink, and then finally the hot pink. You guys enjoyed this video to achieve this look right here. Like always, please give this a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and to stay notified with future videos, please hit that little bell. It'll notify you whenever I have a new video up anytime I post something new. I try and post every week, every Friday. So yeah, and to stay more up to date, go check out my Instagram. The link is right here. I post there more often. I'm still trying to get used to the new Instagram TV. I don't know how I feel about it yet, but I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you next week.